Hey, to change lock screen clock on the Nothing Phone 2a, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. From this, navigate into the lock screen, select lock screen widgets, and as you can see from here, we've got actually the analog, watch, digital, and this word. So let's say that I want to get, for example, this one, maybe this one. So I can click on it, and as you can see now, it's actually selected. If I click here, I can even get the second one. So now when I lock, that's how it looks. When I click and hold on this widget on the lock screen, I unfortunately cannot change it. I can just open some stuff, like in this case, it was actually the alarm clock. So that's how we can do this. Let's get rid of this one. And now when you click on it, you can also pick the specific time, the specific city. And yeah, that's how we can do this. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.